Like a Hellcat.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a laundry motivation, and I have a lot of motivation in this video. So yeah, if you are like me and you've been piling up your laundry for some days, maybe a week or so, then we are in the same boat here, so you can join me while I tackle my laundry. So yeah, I have some clothes are already washed last night or the night before, so I'm just gonna start by drying those, and I'm gonna load the washing machine again to do another load. So this laundry has been here for over a week, and we've been getting our clothes out of the laundry for a week, so I'm like, it's time to tackle this, so I'm gonna get it done today. So why don't you come along with me and let's do this laundry together.
All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter.
So this is gonna be my carryover load. This has been sitting in the dryer for days, even before I wash the one I'm drying right now. So I'm gonna be folding this away right now, and I have my helpers around here. She wanted to help me today, so yeah, I am going to be folding these clothes and putting them away before the one in the dryer finishes drying.
Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, now I know.
Okay, so friends, I want to say you're welcome to today's video. I really appreciate each and every one of you for clicking on this video and watching me. God bless you. I really appreciate you. You don't know how much I do appreciate you guys for always coming back to my channel to watch my videos. And if you are seeing my face, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, you are welcome. If you like motivations on cleaning and cooking or laundry or anything that has to do with motherhood or mom life, you will find them here on this channel. So feel free to join this family by clicking the red button, the red subscribe button, and make sure your bell is on so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video.
Love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. You wanna show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter.
What I do is, after I fold the clothes, I will call each of my kids to come and get their clothes, and they put their own clothes away. I only put the little ones' clothes away, but today she wanted to put her own clothes away, so I let her do it, and that's what I do. I just fold the clothes and call them to come and get their stuff. They have to put it in the appropriate place in the dresser in the room. So yeah, that's how I do my laundry. Okay guys, this is not even funny, and I'm not gonna lie to you. If you notice that my outfit changed, this was 2 days later. 2 days after I started this laundry. Yeah, I couldn't finish it that day, so I had to join the one in the washing machine into the dryer off camera. So you know, after 3 days I had another pile of laundry that I have to wash on this particular day. So yeah, this was 2 days later. So I'm just gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna go in my hallway, like close to my garage, so I can use my freezer to fold this clothes instead of doing it in the room, because I think it's darker in my room. So yeah, I'm gonna be folding this clothes out here today.
When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. Don't wanna show me now and forever.
Okay friends, I have a special announcement to make. For my subscribers that have been around for some time, you know that I do couponing, but I have decided to not do couponing on this channel anymore because I want to concentrate on cleaning, decorating, and mom life on this channel. So I already started a different channel just for couponing. And not only couponing, I'm going to be sharing money saving tips, budgeting, cash envelope tips, and money saving challenges. So if you are interested in things like that, want to know some ways you can save money without stress, then join me on that channel. I'm going to link the channel in the description box down below so you can join that channel as well. I would so much appreciate your presence on that channel too. So yeah, so I'm not going to be posting couponing videos on this channel anymore. So yeah, let's just get going with this laundry.
On again, all day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because
Now I'm finally done with my last load of laundry. I know the weekend is almost here, so I'm going to be doing another laundry in the next couple of days. But yeah, this is going to be my last load that I need to fold tonight.
luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know.
This little girl will not stop messing with me. She's always right behind me when I'm doing stuff in the house. This teleworking, like working from home, has made her so clingy that she will not even let me get out of her sight. And she was here bothering me, switching the light on and off, and I had to take her in the house at some point in time. I had to put her in timeout because she will not let me finish this laundry. So yeah, does your kids bother you like this? I don't know, but that's what I have to deal with.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. 'Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful.
Like I said earlier, I fold the clothes and I let the kids come and get their clothes, but tonight it was already too late in the night and I want them to finish eating dinner. I didn't want to wait for them, so I decided to put the clothes away today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Finished folding them up and I'm taking them into each kid's rooms, and then this is the last thing I have to do today.
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your presence here, and stay blessed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.